Hello, my name is Priyanshu Singh and my roll number is 21MF3IM11. Today I am going to show you my DIY assignment number 2. So for this assignment I have created a gas sensor. The purpose of creating this gas sensor is to detect harmful gases, smoke in factories, house and other areas to prevent any hazardous accident. So for creating this gas sensor I have used an Arduino Uno board, a gas sensor, a piezo buzzer and these two LEDs and resistors and wires for connection purpose. And then I have connected this gas sensor to this Arduino board using analog pin inot. Then I have connected this gas sensor to breadboard using this red wire and this black wire. Further I have connected this piezo buzzer and this red LED to Arduino board using digital pin 12 and this green LED to Arduino board using digital pin 11. I have connected these two LEDs using resistors to this breadboard. The value of this resistor is 220 ohm. The value of this resistor which is used to connect the gas sensor to Arduino board is 1 kilo ohm. Then further I have connected these two multimeters across these two LEDs which will monitor the voltage across this two LED and an oscilloscope across this piezo buzzer to monitor the voltage across this piezo buzzer. Further I have created a code using blocks option in the Tinkercad software. So you can see this. Let me zoom in. So first of all I have created a variable to read analog pin inot. Then I have used if then else statement for digital pin 12 and enable to give them commands. Further this Tinkercad software has generated its computer code which will be imported to Arduino board for functioning purpose. So you can see this code blocks and as well as code, this computer code. So let me remove it. Then I will start simulation. So it is started. So further you can see that there is no gas, so this system shows green signal which shows there is no threat. Further a gas comes and a gas sensor detects it and this piezo buzzer alarms the person and this red LED shows that there is a threat. So if I move this gas far away from this gas sensor, then further green LED glows up and which shows that there is no threat. Further when it come closer to this gas sensor, the red LED glows up and this piezo buzzer alarms the person. You can see the voltage as this piezo buzzer. You can see the voltage across this piezo buzzer. Then you can see the voltage across this LED, red LED which is 1.99 volt. Further when this gas moves away from this gas sensor, you can see that this red LED stops to glow and this piezo buzzer stops to buzz and then a straight line is seen in this oscilloscope. Further you can see that there is a 2 volt across this green LED when there is no gas here. So you can see this circuit hole. This is a DIY assignment number 2. So thank you for watching my video. I conclude here.